Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix authentication failed on Stockx. This should be a very simple and very short video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end. Now, for the authentication failed process, it's very easy. Now, to authenticate your account, you need to go through several kind of processes. There is 5 of them, so make sure to follow them one by one. So you should start by verifying your email. So go to here and basically verify it. You simply have to put in your email and go through it, add the shipping address, payment method, and verify your identity. Now, at some point, the verification or the authentication might fail. That's simply because you might have put an information wrong, or basically there is a problem from their end. So you could simply check from this website and see if the login has an issue. So you could literally just go and check if there was any issues or problems reported in the last 24 hours, and you can jump into the comments and see if there is anything related to that. Also, you need to contact the support team, and basically before you do all of this kind of stuff, you need to literally check your own information. When it comes to verifying your identity, make sure that you have taken a good picture of yourself, you have a good picture of your credit card, or not credit card, I mean your license, driving license, passport, or whatever identity you will be verifying it with. And the most important thing, do not use expired ones. Use ones that are still available and still possibly in use. So all of this should be pretty easy to follow. Just make sure to write everything correctly, double check before you go through this process, because it is the most important process. Here you will have your payment method, your identity, and basically your payout method, so double check always. And yeah, this is pretty much it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and give us a beautiful comment, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.